Hello everyone, Jai Swaminarayan. Principles of Management. The subject code is 3151103. So let's discuss. Unit 3. The contents of Unit 3 motivation that we had discussed in the previous lecture, definition of motivation, types of motivation, extrinsic, intrinsic, Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory that we have discussed. So let's discuss the leadership definition. What is the definition of leadership? Leadership is a process by which an executive can direct, guide and influence the behavior and work of others towards accomplishment of specific goals in a given situation. So whatever the situation which is given, he or she can play a major role. Leadership is the ability of a manager to induce the subordinates to work with confidence and zeal. To work with the confidence and deal with that subordinates also. This is the perfect role of leadership. Leadership definition in management. So today we are going to learn leadership definition in management. Leadership in business is the capacity of a company's management to set and achieve challenging goals. They have to set and achieve challenging goals, take fast and decisive action when needed, outperform the competition and inspire others to perform at the highest level they can. They have to inspire other also. That's why that team must achieve the success. Why leadership is important for a manager? Why leadership is important for a manager? Leadership is an important function of management which helps to maximize efficiency and to achieve organizational goals. It is most important, which helps to maximize efficiency and to achieve organizational goals also, and initiates action. Yani leader is a person who starts the work by communicating the policies. A person who starts the work by communicating the policies and plans to the subordinates from where the work actually starts, and plans to the subordinates from where the work actually starts. It is called initiates action, which is taken by a leader. It starts from him only, and he or she is going to implement on his subordinates. Role of leader in management. Role of leader in management. Leadership is an important function of management which helps to maximize efficiency and to achieve organizational goals. The following points justify the importance of leadership in a concerns. So let's discuss the following points. Initiates action. It means leader is a person who starts the work by communicating the policies and plans to the subordinates from where the work actually starts. Motivation. A leader proves to be playing an incentive role in the concern's working. He motivates the employees with economic and non-economic rewards also, and thereby gets the work from the subordinates. So he is known as a leader. Providing guidance. A leader has not only to supervise but also play a guiding role for the subordinates. Guidance here means instructing the subordinates the way they have to perform their work effectively and efficiently. Role of leader in management. Creating confidence. Confidence is an important factor which can be achieved through expressing the work efforts to the subordinates, explaining them clearly their role and giving them guidelines to achieve the goals effectively. It is also important to hear the employees with regards to their complaints and problems. Building morale. Morale denotes willing cooperation to the employees. towards their work and getting them into confidence and winning their trust also. A leader can be a moral booster by achieving full cooperation so that they perform with best of their abilities as they work to achieve goals. Role of leader in management, it still continued here all. Builds our work environment. Management is getting things done from people. An efficient work environment helps in sound and stable growth. Therefore, human relations should be kept into mind by a leader. So, leader must have to keep a human relations role. He should have personal contacts with employees and should listen to their problems and solve them. He should treat employees on humanitarian terms also. Coordination can be achieved through reconciling personal interests with organizational goals. So you have to coordinate. This synchronization can be achieved through proper and effective coordination, which should be primary motive of a leader. Why leadership is important for a manager? So, why leadership is important for a manager? Leadership is an important function of management which helps to maximize efficiency and to achieve organizational goals. That's why leadership is important for a manager to achieve maximize goals. Initiate action. Leader is a person who starts the work by communicating the policies and plans to the subordinates from where the work actually starts. Thank you very much, dear all.